Alright, I got these hurricane hangers I've been putting on, and little spots like this, it's hard to get a hammer, so what we have here is an air hammer. And it almost works just like that. So if you got tight spots can't get into, nail gun, traditional nail gun, too big. Still gonna have a hard time with this little spot, but I might be able to get there. See, you never get there with the regular nail gun or hammering the nail. It's not gonna happen. I don't know why I put this one on backwards, but whatever. Alright, I'm going to put all the other ones on backwards.